Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
No spitting, no biting, no road rage. Start your engine!
Tayo, you look exactly like me. You look the same over here.
Good to see you, soldier. Come on by Sergeant's surplus hunt for all your government surplus needs.
Oh, honey, surplus.
One, two, three. A winner.
Who'll be jamming now?
Tire, I give you 7 snow tires for free. Done. You're interested, you call me, you know where I am.
Everybody fighting to move up, lap after lap, inside, outside, inches apart, never touching.
Hey, McQueen, you all right? Listen, don't you worry, pal. You had a good run. Enjoy.
Well, that's how I used to feel when I was driving for the Lower Belleville County Unified School District.
Shannon. It was a great move. I was, hey, Tito.
shoot?
Correction acknowledged. Deploying shoot.
Luigi, this new road makes your place look like a dump.
That crazy old devil.
Smokey, I need Cruz.
Never mind that now.
No, I need her back here. Now, get her back.
Hay que ir recto. ¡Ya oí suficiente! ¡Y fuera!
Unknown rider, you have entered restricted airspace. Why haven't you responded?
That Francesco is fine looking.
And those open wheels. I hereby dub thee.
Ready to start training?
I don't know. You ready to lose again?
Oh, hope you got your fluffy cloud.
Not my town, dope.
Piston Cup. Does the King Strip Weathers have one more victory in him before retirement?
He's been down.
Mama! Don't worry, Mama. McQueen is very sad. I will.
First, I'm gonna loosen up these ancient joints.
No, please don't.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Okay, I didn't want to have to do this, Doc, but you leave me no choice.
Fellow citizens, you're all...
It's a conspiracy, man! The oil company's got a grip on the government. They're feeding us up.
Fireboxes! Scruff's scared of being clean. I must puff after him.
Man, Ramon will paint you up right.
Hey, anything you want. You know, like the flame job.
Oh,
Maybe.
Entramos a Chick Hicks. Ha perseguido el título toda su carrera.
Chick creyó que este era su año, Bob.
You are Francesco. Francesco knows how good he is. He does not need to surround himself with tow trucks.